welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this makeup look that I wore in my giveaway video. You guys asked that I do a tutorial, so here I am, a woman of the people, giving you what you want. So I'm going to be talking about that. I'm going to be talking about my jewelry today, so make sure you check out the description bar, and let's get started. So starting off, I'm going to use the NYX white base on a flat brush. I'm feeling like very Coney Island fortune teller fantasy right now. Just because like the giant hair with the band and the earrings. Love it. I think it's great. These earrings I got from InStyle Company. I will leave their link down below and my coupon code that will give you 15% off. Ew. Because I am an ambassador for their jewelry company. Yes. Speaking of, we'll talk about this a little bit while we're doing this, because I have a lot of energy today. I had a company contact me and they were like, wear our necklace in a post and we'll invite you to Fashion Week. And I was like, okay. And they scammed me. It's fine. I'm going to take glucose from the blood sugar palette, the white color, on a big fluffy brush and just go underneath my eyebrow. We're not setting the base, we're just highlighting the brow bone. So yeah, they were like, we'll expand your audience and we will do this for you and all of these things. So I bought this necklace at this like stupid discounted price, because they always suck you in with a discounted price. And then they didn't do anything. Like, they just keep spamming me and be like, be an ambassador for our company. And I'm like, kind of did it already, but it's okay. So, be careful who you partner with. Now, this company, they're better. Like, I'm an ambassador. I got my email. I got this whole, like, thing that I had to do. So, yeah, good stuff. Now, we're going to go in with Root Canal, which is the the lighter purple out of the blood sugar palette, on a pencil brush, the Sigma E30, and we're gonna start drawing our crease and outer corner, just like that. You just kind of draw that triangle shape and you're just gonna draw it in to about mid-eye. Wing it, wing it, wing it. Kind of fill in all the chunky bits. Then you're going to take a blending brush like this one. This is a Delium 776. And we're going to blend it out. These brushes look dirty, but these are literally the same brushes I used last time I did this look. So I'm not super concerned with like product mixing, because it's all the same stuff. And you're just basically going to blend this until you can't see where you started the line. So you're just going to go back and forth for a while and make sure you're working it inward on the crease. We have first layer of purple done. Now we're going to go in, same brush, same color, do the same exact thing you did, just going over that area where you started with the V, drawing that same shape, the same spot, and we're just gonna blend it out again. I just want to darken it up, so this time you're not gonna blend as much because you have something to blend into, but you want your color payoff to be like really dark. Mine was pretty dark. You can stop with the light. It just is however many layers you feel you need until you get like a nice smooth purple. I'm just going to blend out the edge a touch with the brush we used before with the glucose, but not put any product on it. We're just going to use like the brush itself and what little product we have on there. Now for the lid. Like, this look is stupid simple. It just looks very hard, you're going to go in with the Thirsty palette, and you're going to take Taste Buds, that's the lighter of the two colors, on a flat brush. And we're going to pack this onto the lid where we didn't put the purple. Now I'm just using like a teeny tiny little brush to do this. My cat is moving my backdrop. What? What do you want? And I'm just going to pack this on until it's the orange that I want it to be, and then just kind of blend it with the brush. Like that. See? Voila! Gorgeous. Sunsetty realness. I don't know why I think the orange and the purple looks really good with this hair. So now we're going to take a little brush, and you're going to take Root Canal again the purple, and go under your outer lid. Your lower lash line. About to the middle of your pupil. Now, if it seems brighter, it's because I moved my light, and you can see me fully. You're going to take a little bit of the darker orange from this palette. I'm not going to say a name because it's a bad word. And you're going to put that on the lower lash line, connect it to the inner corner on the upper part, and kind of blend them together. The best you can blend orange and purple together. Right. So in the inner corner, I'm going to pop some of this Lock pencil. Just a very light pink. Tap it out with the finger a little bit. Just give it a little bit of a reflection. For the lashes, I'm using Bad Gal Bang. You literally need no eyeliner for this look unless you want it. I wanted to keep it so that you could really see the shadows since the colors are so gorgeous. For lips, we're going to do a bright pink pencil. This is Dollhouse or Dolly Pink from NYX. And just use this like a lipstick, like you're just going to go all over with it. And then we're going to put gloss over top. This is Birthday Babe from Bare Minerals. For the cheeks, I'm going in with Bella Bamba blush, just to give it a little bit of color. And that, my friends, is it. So, you can see here, it's very sunsetty, very warm, very pretty, and goes with your giant fortune teller mermaid hair. So, I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.